How's it going, guys? I'm Christopher McGee. I'm the owner of Halting Real Estate, affiliated with Keller Williams in Salt Lake City, Utah. And this is the real estate numbers. Every week we look at what happened the previous week and we focus on 7 specific numbers to be able to tell the story and hopefully track the trends of what's going on in our market here in Utah. So without any further ado, let's look at it. Okay, our first number is 8,714. That is the number of current active properties on our market right now. That has continued to trend down. We're down about 300 from the previous week, so we dropped well below 9,000, and that, like I said, that's gone down 200 or 300 every single week since I started this a few months ago. Our second number is 51. That is the average time that a property hangs out on the market before somebody gets an offer and it is accepted. So 51, and that's really telling essentially the same story that we've been seeing for the last several weeks. Our third number is 12,406. That's the difference between the average amount of money that is asked for a property on our market and actual sold price of properties on our market. That number has trended down overall. It's been as high as 17,600. It's been as low as 12,377. So we're kind of still at the low end of that. It's trended, if I had to average it out just looking at it, it's trended at about 15,000. Looks like that might be creeping down, but it's nothing dramatic. Our fourth number today is 445. That is the number of sales that we had, the number of homes that were sold off the market within this last 7 days. I would say our number of homes that are being sold over the last couple of months has stayed close to the same, trending about right where we're at. Our fifth number is 4,422. That's the number of homes that are currently under contract waiting for close. They've accepted an offer and they're just waiting for the happy day of closing. Our sixth number is 550. That's the lowest this number has been. This is the number of price reductions across the last 7 days that properties on the market have applied to their property. So if you've got a property and you're the seller, you're trying to get it sold, and it's on the market for too long, so long that you feel that it must not be getting any offers, and one of the things you can do to attract more attention on it is to drop the price, of course. The number of times that has happened over the last week has come down, and significantly relative to what we've seen the last couple of months. We started at 1,637 price reductions in a week, and that has come steadily down. Okay, and our seventh and final number is 452. That's the number of listings that have been either expired or withdrawn from the MLS or canceled. So the tale of this last week's real estate market seems to be essentially a continuation of the trends that we've seen all along. The two big ones here, I see a lot of things just trending even, but the two major things that I'm looking at are, one, the number of actives on the market. We started with 10,000, almost 300, and right now we're at 8,700. That's come down 200 or 300 a week since I started this. This number of the amount of inventory that we have, that really, the direction it's trending down is in favor of sellers. Yeah, and then the other big number that I'm paying attention to is this number of price reductions in the prior week. And like I said there, we started at just over 1,600 and we're now at 550. Obviously, that just tells you there's fewer people on the market who have a property to sell, who feel that in order to get a good offer that they're willing to accept, that they'll need to lower their price. That's happening less, and that also trends more in the favor of the seller. I would say we downshifted in the direction of a buyer's market, right? It's still a good time to buy. We're just seeing a couple numbers in particular that trend in the favor of the seller. You know what else is trending in the favor of the seller is this difference between the average price listed at and the average price at which the home is sold. That's still in the negative. If you're selling, you're still on average getting about $12,500 less than you listed it at. But it's not too bad. It seems to be trending down. All right, we'll see you guys next week. It'll be the day after Christmas, so I hope you guys have a great holiday.